What's up, Karaskal? What's up, Karaskal? Iniwan ka na ng eroplano. Okay lang, baby, huwag kang magbago. Dito ka lang, umimbing sa aking piling andugin. Ay. Kukupkupin na lang kita. Sorry, wala ka nang magagawa. Mahalin mo na lang ako ng sobra-sobra. Para batas naman tayo. Let's go! Sasalubugin natin ang kinabukasan, ang walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y merong trip na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Okay ba kayo dyan? Pinaiyak ka ng manghuhula. Hindi na raw tayo magkasamang tatanda. Buti na lang, merong langit na nagtatanggol sa pag-ibig na porsigido at matyaga. Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan, walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y merong trip na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto palaging merong paraan. Long as we stand as one, ano man ang ating makabangga. Nothing will ever break us. Wala talaga, as in wala. Sasalubungin natin ang kinabukasan, nang walang takot at walang pangamba. Tadhana'y merong trip na makapangyarihan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto hahalikan na lang natin ang kinabukasan ng buong loob at yayakapin pa. Ay medyo overrated minsan. Kung ayaw may dahilan, kung gusto pala merong paraan. Gumawa na lang tayo ng paraan. Gumawa na lang tayo ng Gumawa na lang tayo ng paraan. Kamusta? Hello. Gandang gabi po sa inyo. Ako po si KD Estrada. Kung alam niyo po yung kanta, sabay lang ba kayo sa akin? Let's go! There I was, one empty piece of a shell. Just minds in my own words without even knowing that life were all about. And you brought me out of the shell, gave the world to me, and before I knew you gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I thought beyond existence. All began when I met you. The touch of your hair. When I look in your eyes, I just know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Love will light up my world and take all my cares, the aching part of me. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. You taught me how to love and showed me a tomorrow. And today, my love, different from the yesterday. I knew you taught me to love, darling. I will always cherish you today, tomorrow, and forever. No. And I'm sure when evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, how could I ask for more? You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existence. And it all began when I met you. I met you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you. When I met you. Thank you po! Thank you po! Gusto nyo pa ng isa pa? Okay, sige po. Let's go. Kung alam nyo to, sabay lang kayo sa akin. This is by Kuya TJ Monterde. Siyempre, alam nyo to. Di man araw-araw na nakarating, ilang beses na rin tayo humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away pati natin di na namamalayan. Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mong ako palagi balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat ang paborito kong sesyonan paligiran ang ingay at ng kulong di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo sa huli palagi sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo hindi man nais kong naman sa pagdating ng ating pinagkakita sa di may abuti sa huli sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulitin ay nais kong malaman mo iyo ako palagi. Thank you po, Rascal.